too because I just don't some of the things that I just don't have a lot of interest in some of the things that are going on here. But Chris, the wise carrot, he's definitely he plays some games too, but when he does his art, that's when I like it the most. Sorry, Chris. I like watching you play games, but you're always going to be an artist to me. I'm an artist first, you know. All right, enjoy your dinner. Thank you for the lurk. It depends on the wood. I don't like to carve construction wood. First of all, construction wood is really the wrong kind of wood to do any carving with at all. For carving, you really want your wood to be dry. And it's pretty important that it's dry, actually. A lot of people, if they carve wet wood, I don't know if Gary's still here or not, but he can tell you. A lot of times, once you carve and you get into that outside, past that outside part of the wood, the inside, the closer, the more you expose. Hey, Karen Day is my name. How are you? I'm doing some. I'm carving an elephant right now. Elephant sitting up on his hind legs, and I know the rule. Elephant trunk has to be up. Let me show you some of the things that I carved. Here's a little dragon I carved. Here's a little bear. Here's Stitch. Here's the Leviathan axe from the God of War game. Mythosaur skull from Star Wars. Thank you. Here's a little tree frog. An alligator.